Hello friends, this is the Coinbirds website, and as you can see this is the get bonus button where anybody can, after the sign up, without investing any single penny, just click that button and get a free gold coins. Yes, it's of course free gold coins because it's such a kind of the website where anybody can sign up without investment, and after the getting daily bonus, what they give you is the gold coins. So this is the gold coins where you will be got between of 10 to 100 gold coins, and once you collected that gold coins by clicking the get a bonus button in this website, I giving description box link already in this video. And well, after the sign up you will come here and click on that daily bonus. So well, then you will be get a 10 to between of 100 gold coins, and what you need to do is it's simple. You just go to the buy bird section where birds are available, list of birds are available, and that birds, what they do, they're laying the eggs per hourly. It's a different potential for different birds. So like for example, if I choose the red bird to buy, which almost the cost of 1,50,000. So you can see here 1,50,000 gold coins required to buy these birds, which generate the eggs per hourly 7,230 eggs. Okay, and once we collect that eggs, we need to just come here, collect from that eggs warehouse. I already have lots of birds, like you see the weak bird I have, green birds, yellow, brown, and blue bird too. See, this is the three birds available. Here are the nine birds, and all of the birds, they are counting. I think one, two, three, four, five. Five birds are available in my account, and they generate regularly here the eggs. I'm still not selling because I want to buy again the birds. So I'm just collecting that birds and I want to buy this red bird. But if you don't want to wait, then you can just, you see this is the buy bird section. Once you sign up, you definitely not uh, got such a kind of the huge amount of gold coins. You just got a 300 gold coins where you can start without investment, like the buying that green bird, which of course is worth it or not worth it, you will be see as yourself. But definitely my recommendation is do not invest here any single penny before you read rules and other stuffs. Okay, so see, here are the replenishment account where if you see, if you invest here the 10 euros, you will got a 91,500 gold coins. And just buy this gold coins, buying that you can choose this blue bird to buy that. So you can choose here the three birds or two birds, how much you have the gold coins in account you are here. So then you can uh, later they will be laying eggs for you. And the last part is withdraw funds. So after the egg selling, you will be got 30% gold bars, and 70% goes to the gold coins again to buy the birds. Such a kind of this game is the coin birds provide us. Okay, so then you need to just click on the withdraw funds, and you see I already have a payer account. So I choose the payer account. If you don't have a payer account, then just sign up via my payer link. I also give you in description box that link. Why I choose this payment method? Because minimum withdrawal limit is very low, and it's really worth it. Because see, this is the gold bars, minimum withdrawal limit is only 431. You can choose a three of payment, three of currency like euro, USD, or rub. So I choose here already a rub currency. You see this is the list of payment methods. I mean payment withdraw, I already withdraw via the rub currency. And you see here are the dates like 9/1/2022, 2021. Here are the 135 rub available. So kind of the, you see such kind of the withdraw you will be get from this website. And next thing is, you required here the crystals for withdraw. Okay, because after that bars you required crystals, and crystals only generated in your account, either you replenishment your account or refer to someone who willing to buy these birds. I think I'm done in this video. And don't forget to check out these rules, all every single rule, because this definitely website gives you a chance to make money online. But it is worth it or not worth it, it's all depends on your referrals. Okay, thanks for watching. If you have any query, let me know. Don't forget to check out my description box and subscribe and like me. Thank you.